Hello and welcome back to Vanlife TV. Now today I'm taking everything apart in the van. Look, it's a bit of a mess because I'm going to be drilling a hole in here to install an eye bolt. So why am I installing an eye bolt? Well, it's because I want to put a hammock across the diagonal length of the van here. I've already kind of measured it all up and I think it's going to work. So I've already put the hole in there and I'm just waiting for the eye bolts to be delivered. So I'm going to crack on and finish this one up here and hopefully it's going to work. So my harness bolts have arrived because they're used for motorsport harnesses for securing you into bucket seats. So you have the eye bolt rated to 8.8 tons and then the backing plate is there. I guess who's having a little bit of a problem? Drill bit, go in there no problems, but the length of the drill bit combined with the right angled drill, I can't get any more drill bits in because the length is too long for this gap here. So I'm going to have to think of a way around that. Okay, so the solution that I've come up with looks like that. It's a little bit of an overkill, so it's like a cone drill there. So I'm going to have to be careful on what size I take it to, but hopefully that's going to do the trick. Let's give it a go. Oh, I've only managed to get it to work, haven't I? I can't believe that. I thought I was going to struggle, but that bolt has gone in there absolutely fine. And that's super secure onto the metalwork, which is the strengthening beam that goes across the top of the van there. Hey, I think that works. I'm a bit nervous, I must admit, whether this is going to hold, but I don't want to get out of this hammock, it's too bloody comfortable. I've still got to clear everything up though. That can wait. So there we go, it is hammock in the van time. I'm really stoked about that. I wasn't sure whether it was going to work when I was having problems putting that top bolt in, but yes, I'm over the moon with this. Where I put the bolt up on the back wall, it'll allow me to attach the hammock to that, open the rear doors and then attach the other end to a tree if need be, so I can have it outside as well, but also gives extra flexibility for sleeping arrangements. If I've got friends in the van, they've slept on the floor up until now, but maybe they can use the hammock from now on. But yeah, there you go, that's today's video. I'm super stoked. I've just got to tidy everything up now. But as usual, thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Until the next video guys, take it easy.